So oftentimes you may want to go ahead and process out your images. You may want to resize them, you may want to go ahead and crop them off, maybe you want to go ahead and then, let's say for example, compress it. Then there is an easy tool that you can access right from your web browser. So in order to go ahead and access out that particular tool, you can simply go to your address bar right here and type in www.iloveimg.com right here and press enter. So once you do that, you get access to quick tools right here, which allows you to go ahead and perform various quick edits with images. Here you can see that you got compress image option, you got resize image option, crop, convert to JPG, convert from JPG, photo editor, upscale image, remove background, watermark image, meme generator, rotate image, HTML to image, and blur face option right here. Over here on the top, you can see that you can access out different process options from the top as well. And if you were to go to more tool section right here, then you got different image options right here as well. And this is what you have. If I were to go ahead and then click, let's say for example, click on login right here, then what I can do is I can go ahead and log into the account as well. You can actually go ahead and, let's say for example, do basic processings right here. But if you want to actually save some personal information, it is a good idea to go ahead and sign up for an account. So you can go ahead and enter out your email and so forth right here, or you can go ahead and log in. In my case, I've already signed up for a free account, so you can click on Google to sign up with Google account as well. So in my case, I'm simply going to go ahead and click on login and then click on Google right here, because I'm going to go ahead and use my Google account to sign in, and then you get signed in right here just like this, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and access out ILoveIMG and then go ahead and sign into it as well. So as we move along through this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see the various tools as you see right here and the ways to use them. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.